Yo, it's good. It's your boy Kurt, and today we have another reaction. So Nara just dropped their official audio for their song Tabi, man. And of course, because of that, kailangan natin magsuot ng red, no? Red cap, red shirt, I mean, red lights sa mic natin. I'm actually planning to wear my red jacket, but I just remember no na it's fucking hot as hell right now. So, hindi na lang. Hindi na lang, but I'm really excited with this, man, because yung mga nakarang performance na pinanood natin, I mean, we saw the choreography, you know, kung gaano sila ka-fierce, gaano sila kalupit, mag-perform live, man. But yung lyrics is hindi talaga natin marinig ng maayos, no? So, now we're going to listen to it. And also, I noticed that a lot of you is actually asking me to check the lyrics of the songs that we're listening while I'm reacting, for me to, you know, get the lyrics of it. But the thing is, hindi ko kasi trip yun. Yun kasi yung ano eh, yung yun kasi yung masaya doon sa pakikinig mo sa bagong kanta, tapos yung pag-intindi mo ng sarili mo lang sa kanta. I guess yung sinabi ko, na-enjoy ko yung mga ganung bagay. So that's the reason why hindi ko binubuksan yung lyrics, yung caption, yung subtitle, or nagbubukas ng any lyrics from any other sites or Google whenever we listen to an official audio of a song without any lyrics. You know, yun yung masaya kasi doon. But yeah, we're gonna listen to the B. So again, I do wanna apologize if maybe may mga part na hindi ko magets agad, because again, this is the first time that we're gonna listen to it. We don't have any lyrics, so without further ado, let's get it. Parang ano, no? Umpisa parang yung kata ni Chris Brown. I'ma be Chris Brown ba yun? So yun na, yung part na yun. Ooh, funky. Daw? Ano daw? Oh, wait. Okay, landas na parang Sisyphine roll. Okay. Alright. Okay. Ganda nun. Wow! Wait, what? Sino sulat nito kanta nila? Sino ba ako nagsulat nito kanta nila? That is a fucking great, no? Like parang analogy, man, about like, kasi parang sabi niya ang landas na para bang Sisyphine role, 'di ba? Yun yung parang yung parang constant like labor, yung parang you know yung may buhat-buhat na bato pataas. Yung hindi ko alam yung pinakaano nun eh, pero ano, yung thought niya hirap kasi ano eh, yung thought niya is yung parang yung non-stop na parang labor, yung pag, di ba yung parang, yung sinerch natin ngayon, yung lalaki na may hawak na bato, yung aangat siya sa taas, tapos gulong pababa na naman, so ulit na naman siya. Saan kwento ko ba narinig yun? Basta yun, so parang ganun yung analogy nila, kasi parang bago nga lang sila, di ba? Yung itong, parang yung buhay na, yung landas is parang ganun, no? Yung parang, it's a constant, you know, grinding, parang gano'n, no? Pero lubungin ng bunga nito ay babalentong, 'di ba? Kasi parang again yung sa Sisyphine role, parang pagdating sa taas, babalik lang din pababa. parang achievement mo, 'di ba? Parang ikaw din yung parang sasaloy ganyan tapos ibabalentong. That's a great analogy, no? And yung reference nila ay napakaganda. Hindi nga ako masyadong like 100% aware sa reference. I just know the idea. That is a great writing, by the way. That is a great writing. That's a type of writing that you will see in a fucking solid rap songs, no? Sa mga yung like rap song talaga, like mga metaphors and like na ginagamit or references. Oh shit. Wait, what? Magdali kay naalami diri. Let's go. Woo! I'm really so proud every time na, you know, like yung Bisaya language ngayon, parang hindi na siya, I mean, hindi na siya parang bago na ilagay sa lyrics, but I'm always so proud na marinig no, sa mga kanta to, yung mga Bisaya language, because before, I mean, before, you know, like before SB19 and before the rise of P-pop, no, pag Bisaya, sabihin agad corny, no, parang ano, ngayon, I mean, hindi na ganoon yung dating ngayon, eh, no? Mas bukas na yung utak ng tao sa pag-intindi, no? But yeah, I'm fucking hype with that. Oh, sorry, sobrang layo ng binalik. Sis? Malaki-laki, man. Oh, run, Ari-Arriba. Nice. Hey. Hey. Fresh crew, yeah, we're setting up the pace, man. Because we're new, you know, fresh crew. We're setting up the pace, you know. We're setting up our own pace, diba? Parang wala kaming ginagaya, no. Bago kami, no. Parang this is our own pace, man. Fresh crew, yeah, we're setting up our pace. Pace. Sabi nila, out of 10 bang sabi nila doon? Oh. That is a wordplay, by the way. Out of 10, went from 0 just to ace. Like, out of 10, diba? We went from 0 just to ace, like just to achieve success, diba? So parang sinasabi nila out of 10, we went from 0 to like 10, no? Success. But at the same time, out of 10, went from 0 just to ace. Ace is, sa baraha, is number 1. Like, nice wordplay, no? Sa like numbers and, you know, 10, 0 to ace, you know. Ang galing na, no? Ang ganda ng sulat dito, man. Hindi ko ina-expect na magiging ganito ka-complex yung sulat na itong kantang ko. Yeah, so raw, we were making our wave, 'di ba? Kasi parang again, so raw, wala kaming parang pinagagayahan. We're making our wave, our own wave, man, our own trend, 'di ba? Making trendsetter kami in our own way, no? This is our own wave, 'di ba? Like it's the same with Fresh Crew. Yeah, we're setting up the pace, 'di ba? It's just the same thought basically. Just two different way to say it. Oh. Yung nila, no? Yung angas ng boses nila, hindi pilit, no? Hindi corny. This is this is the part na sobrang ano no, sobrang na LSS ako simula nung una ko narinig to hanggang ngayon. Alam niyo ba na, na pinapatulog ko yung baby ko na ito yung hinahaming ko. Yung na 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 may gagano na ako pinapatulog ko yun. Stupid, man. Pinapatulog mo yung anak mo no, gamit tabi na kanta, no? Sobrang ano, ito yung earworm, no? Na pagpapaulit-ulit sa ano mo, yung sa kantang to. I love it, man. Like, yung dating niya kasi is parang like a chant, no? Like, just imagine, no? Imagine people, like for example, nag-concert sila, and there's like an ocean of people, you know, that singing this part of the song, like na 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 na, like, you know, all around you singing that part of the song, man, like, whew. Diba? Like, move like tsunami. Ito na nga, you know. Move like tsunami. Diba? Like, imagine a tsunami of people, you know, sa audience that singing this song as well. Like, that's gotta be crazy, man. Foreshadowing na to, no? Nangyayari na in the future, man. Ayaw pataka pala yun. Bira hindi chamba. Okay. Nice. Wow. Hey. Oh, uhaw ko ang naging pambato sa nanlalamon na alon. Uhaw, 'di ba? Kasi pag song ano, parang sinasabi na dito doon sa anong yan is uhaw ang aking pambato sa nanlalamon na alon, 'di ba? Kasi pag uhaw ako uminom, 'di ba? Pero itong nanlalamon na alon dahil uhaw ka, no? Yun yung pambabato mo, like iinumin mo yung alon, 'di ba? Ganun ka kagutom, man. Ganun siya ka ano no. Yung gusto niya ma reach yung goal niya, no? Uhaw na uhaw siya doon, man. Kahit nanlalamon pa na alon yan, iinumin ko yan, man. Ganun ang kauhaw. Ooh. Mapagsasurgan mausukan man isang buhusan lang yan sa ito pagsugalan hindi ko susukuan di kailanman mawawalan tibok ang ari-ari at tinuturing ko na yaman mawawalan tibok ang ari-ari at tinuturing ko na yaman tibok ang ari-arian like tibok ng puso, di ba? Ang ari-arian yan tinuturing ko na yaman. Okay. Hey. Oh man, you're playing with my emotion with this, you know, change of pace, no? Like we have this fast rap at this part, which is, itong part na to si Tin, di ba? I mean, Tin is, feel like that's gonna be my bias. I don't know about you guys, but I love Tin so much, no? And Megumi as well. But let's see, you know, this is my first impression from the song, no? Sila yung dalawang, I mean, in social media and Facebook, I have a lot of people na sobrang nag-glaze kay Nami. I mean, that's okay. Yeah, I mean, Nami is great as well, but Ten and Megumi. And, I mean, Eureka as well, man. Eureka as well. I don't know. I feel like, I don't know, parang, I guess this is the first song kasi, no? So, hindi ko masabi sa susunod. I mean, I'm saying this based on this song. Parang, sa akin sila yung naging highlight for me, sila yung naging pinaka-highlight. So in terms of like the word bias for the, you know, the member of Sonara on this song, I mean, most probably Tin. You already know why, because of the rap part, you know, because, you know, you're talking to me. I mean, of course that's the part that I'm going to be more excited sa kanta. But of course I know how to appreciate different genres as well and different song. And that's the reason why I love Megumi as well. But Tin, I mean, for me, daw siya pinaka-highlight nung Kada sa para sa parang maraming magagalit dito. I mean, I don't have any bias, man. I don't have any bias. I'm just saying sa part sa kantang to, no?
Di kailanman mawawalan. Tibok ang ari-ari at tinuturing ko na yung
Itong part na to si Yurika to, di ba? Itong, tama ba ako? Nakalimutan ko na eh. Si Yurika tong part na to, di ba? Hey! Ooh, the control, man. You hear that? Your subtle change of, like, tone ng, like, medyo dinrag niya yung syllable doon. Pero, like, the control, no, na parang pa-falsetto, that's nice touch, man. Yung part na to. No will come true. That's nice, man. Hey, hey. Yeah. No. Change na yung ano dito, yung parang mas nagiging kumbaga sa chord nagiging siyang major, no? Nagiging mas parang brighter yung parang tone, no? Yeah, we step and groove ba yun? We step and groove. Like, parang pataas na, no? I know you be feeling it too. Ba, hindi naman ganyan yung tono niya ng mga unang diba? Hey! Hey! Oh, man, ang angas. Ang angas sa official audio, man. Ang angas, boy. All instrumental. Ooh. Ooh. Hey. 10 out of 10, man. Sorry. Production, man. Lyrics, no? Energy. Unpredictability nung the way na yan, ano daw? Ako pagsalita, yung niro-roller coaster nila yung pace mismo. Like, oh my God! Like, sabi nga nila, no, Fresh Crew, yeah, we're setting up the pace. Pero, if you notice, na yung pace ng kanta nila is not, the normal pace sa mga, like, yung bilis ng kanta nila. Kasi may part na biglang mag-rap, biglang magiging like, the pace is changing from time to time. Like, okay. So, yeah, I mean, again, 10 out of 10, man. Sorry, 10 out of 10. Let's go, man. Oh, something kilig ko. Okay, well, again, that is Sonara Tabi official audio. 10 out of 10, man. 10 out of 10. Sorry. Like, yung lahat ng elements ng kanta nila doon, sa kantang yun, Tabi, man, sobrang na-impress ako. Like, especially the production, and again, the lyrics, kung paano sila, sobrang na-appreciate ko kasi yung creative na pagsusulat ng lyrics, na-impress ako sa galing mag-rap, like, matatas talaga magsalita, mag-rap, malinaw, painggan, also, magagaling kumanta, control yung vocals, parang sobrang complex na nung melody, pero tapos nung cadence nung kanta, pero control pa rin yung mga mataas kumanta, yung mga belter, but isa sa mga sobrang na-impress ako, man, aside from sa mga yon, is yung good writing of the lyrics, man. Kasi minsan, kahit gaano ka kagaling kumanta, kahit gaano ka kagaling mag-rap, kahit ikaw na yung yung pinakamalupit na rapper na lagi nakakuha ng parang, fresh na flow. No, parang wala pang nakakagawa. Pero yung lyrics mo, baduy. Wala eh. Nawawala yung ganda ng performance. But in here, man, again, big ups kung sila yung nagsusulat ng kanta nila. No? Because that is fucking amazing, man. Hindi mababaw yung lyrics ng kanta nila, and I love it. Also, again, the pacing nung kada part ng kanta, like from verse to bridge, no? Even though na sobrang contrast nung vibe, like parang mag-rap siya dito, tapos na 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 na, biglang mag-iiba yung vibe, but nagagawa lang sobrang seamless yung transition from this fast rap or like fierce verse papunta doon. Amazing, man. But I'm glazing too much. All I'm trying to say is song is 10 out of 10, man. Song is 10 out of 10. Well, comment down below kung anong tingin nyo, man. Kung agree ba kayo, kung hindi, well, sunto ka na lang tayo kung hindi, no? Sunto. No lang. Well, that's our reaction for today. Hope you guys enjoyed that, and see you on the next one. Peace.